Hey, I know your pain. I was feeling the same way not long ago. I'm here to help you. In the following minutes, I'll show you how I was able to transform my life. Watch this closely and thank me after that.
Welcome to the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic review. It's been a few months since I have been using Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic, and I've decided to make this review for you, just to give you an idea whether this product works and whether you should buy it. Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is a weight loss supplement derived from the Japanese island of Okinawa. I've been able to lose over 10 pounds in 2 months now. Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic supplement helps you lose weight naturally while keeping you healthy. You don't need to do excessive exercise or starve yourself in diet meals to make this supplement work because Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic uses a revolutionary and groundbreaking formula. Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic comes in powder form and contains powerful antioxidants to help eliminate free radicals. The best way to take it is by mixing 1 scoop in a glass of water or favorite beverage once a day. Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic supplement works by breaking down and removing the excess fat in your body. Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic formula contains a powerful yet safe amount of antioxidants to help clear the body of unhealthy chemicals or toxins that has been piling up in your body over the years of unhealthy lifestyle. Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic also reduces the inflammation in your body and prevents you from bloating as well. Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic supplement then triggers a fast fat-burning process in your body which can help you lose weight fast and easy. And to help you maintain that sexy and firm body, it helps you suppress your appetite and prevents you from craving so much food in between meals. Your metabolism is faster even when your age goes up because Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic knows that age-related factors are one of the main reasons why you are gaining weight faster compared to when you were in your prime years. Lastly, Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic works by boosting your energy and vitality. You are able to easily burn those carbohydrates and prevent fat from building up in your body. Now let's discuss the Okinawa Belly Fat Tonic benefits. It's a proven fat-burning outcomes in losing weight. It lowers the stress levels. Cravings for food are lessened. Improves mental clarity. Improves metabolism. Boosted energy and vitality levels. Can be helpful to the liver and cardiovascular system. Are there any negative Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic side effects? No, as long as the user follows the supplement's instructions, no harmful side effects should occur. The Okinawa Tonic contains only organic and naturally sourced natural ingredients. There have been no credible reports of any adverse effects. Consumers should consult with a physician before using Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic powder, especially if taking with other supplements or medication. Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is definitely a great investment for your body that you should not miss out. With the help of Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic, you can achieve your desired weight fast, easy and safely. So yes, Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic works, but you have to make sure you use it consistently for it to show you results. I'll put the link to the official website of Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic in the description so your purchase will be 100% safe. Thank you for watching.
So do yourself and your business a favor. Join today. You have all the facts, so click the link below to get started today.